In this video, I will show you how to fix we had a server error on Reddit. So if you're encountering this issue, what you can do is simply try to check if your Wi-Fi connection is working. And you can also try switching on and switching off your main router. The next thing that you can do is simply click and hold on to this Reddit icon. Then click on more features. Then go to app info. From here, click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Click on clear cache written in bright red. Once the cache is clear, you can try restarting your app. Or what you can do is simply open up Chrome. Then in the search bar, search for Reddit. Then try using it from this website. And if even that is not working, then what you can do is in the search bar, search for Reddit down detector. Then click on this URL. Scroll down below. Here you can see the graph showing the problems reported in Reddit. If there is a sudden spike, then you can understand that it is the entire server's error. You can simply wait for some time and they will fix it. And if it is still not working, one last thing that you can do is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Reddit. Now check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if there is no update available, then you can simply click and hold on to Reddit icon. Uninstall, confirm it, then go to Play Store and download it again. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.